Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is February 23rd, 2017. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures flying high. They're up $3.75 to $23.64 per contract. Futures right now taking a little lead ahead of the opening bell. So we'll see how today plays out. Every day we usually start out with a gap down and then we rally to the flat line or we rally higher. Today we're rallying up ahead of the opening bell. So we'll see how this all plays out today. But in the meantime, we have lots of stocks in the news, and that's where we're going to try to make some money. Let's take a look at Tesla, TSLA. You all know the car company. Right now the stock is trading at $267.50. So this stock is trading down from $273.51. Pretty good haircut today for Tesla. We're going to watch right off the bat. I'm going to watch the 260 level. If we break through there, I'm going to have gap support levels for us. So Tesla is on the radar today. Again, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. But we are going to look to play this today. And I have some pretty good levels already done. And they'll be posted up in the chat room right at 9 a.m. Next on our radar is going to be L Brands. Ticker symbol is LB. And what you're going to see here is this stock is getting absolutely slaughtered. Closed yesterday at $58.13. It is now trading at $50.60. So I'll have gap levels for this as well. And they will be posted up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 o'clock. So again, if you want to trade Tesla, you want to trade LB, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we are looking at there. Next up, we're going to take a look here at Kohl Stores. KSS is the ticker symbol there. Stock is gapping up a little bit. Closed at $41.78. Trading at $42.70. So Kohl's, which has been beaten down recently, getting a little bit of a bid. I don't see much to do here yet, but this will be on our radar once the opening bell rings today. Let's take a look at Square, SQ. Right now, the stock is getting a good move to earnings, reaction from earnings, I should say. Closed at $15.04, now trading at $16.60. I do think, though, it is getting a little bit long in the tooth here. Around $17, start watching for resistance at that level. Next up, we're going to take a look at Jack in the Box, ticker symbol JACK. What you're going to see here is the stock is trading at $93.70. It is down from the $103.60 close, so good little sell-off there. I am looking at gap support levels for Jack in the Box. Now remember, this is a lighter volume stock, and what I mean by that is sometimes this stock only trades 300,000, 500,000 shares. It rarely trades a million a day. Now, yesterday it traded 2 million shares, but today it is gapping down. So we want to be a little bit on the cautious side with stocks that trade less than a million shares a day on average. But I will have levels for Jack in the Box at the opening bell. But right now I am leaning down towards the $87 area. So again, we do have further to go down, but this can easily get there today. Let's take a look at Boston Beer, or SAM as it's called. Stock right now is trading at $155, closed at $166.85. So this is a decent little haircut today. I'm just trying to find a level here that looks really solid, and I don't see it for the moment, but it is lower. So if we got down, I'm going to say 141 area, there will be some support there. Keep that on the radar today. Let's take a look at Fitbit. I'm not sure what they're doing. Oh, stock is trading at $598, closed at $588, so that's basically flat. No play on that one. Let's take a look at ARRS, ARRS. I will have gap levels for this one. This stock is getting absolutely slaughtered today. Stock closed at $30.70. It is now trading at $26.11. I will have levels posted up at 9 a.m. for ARRS. Let's take a look at Cheesecake Factory. Ticker symbol is CAKE. Stock right now is trading at $59.80, closed at $60.10, so no real movement there. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at CTRP. The stock right now is trading at $50.19, closed at $47.59, so good little reaction here. It is overbought. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. You don't want to chase it here. NVDA, everybody's favorite chip company over the past year. Stock is trading at 106.10. It closed at 110.76. Looks like it was downgraded. I am seeing some support right around the 100 level, so keep that on the radar today. Let's take a look at Hormel Hrl. I'm not sure if it's earnings or not, but it looks like the stock's gapping down pretty nicely. Closed at $37.30, now trading at $35.50. There is going to be some support around 35 and a quarter. I'll try to work out better levels, but right now definitely on the weaker side, but a little bit of support down here around the $35 area for HRL today. So I think I covered all the stocks that I had on my radar. I'll have a few more that I got to work out some gap levels for. We'll have at least 3 or 4 gap plays today. So again, if you want to come over and trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. Gold is having a huge morning. Gold futures snapping higher. They're trading at $118.91 on the GLD. Gold futures themselves trading up $16 to $1,249 an ounce. That's a big time move for gold ahead of the opening bell. We do have crude oil trading up $1.13 to $54.72. So a big move there, and that got to be all on the back of a U.S. dollar weakness, and sure enough it is. So the dollar down and gold up, oil up, commodities up across the board from what I could see at least this morning. So we'll see how this all plays out. But it's going to make for an interesting trading day. Again, if you want to trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We're having a great 2017, and believe me, we're going to have a great finish to this year. So start early, get involved, and you'll see what it's all about. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we'll see you on the charts.